Next, let's talk about live videos. Okay, when you go live, before you go live, you need at least 1,000 followers. Once you do go live though, be very careful because TikTok is extremely strict about their rules. I recommend you can't have anybody under the age of 14 in your video, especially by themselves. If they just appear for a few seconds, okay, great, but they can't be in the main video holding the phone, talking to the audience, because I've done that. Actually, my friend Eric did that. He gave his phone to my little sister who's 9. She talked to his fans for a little bit, and then within a few minutes later, he got banned from live because she was underage. Also, I had my shirt off once in live, well, twice in live. The second time, it was just like my chest and up, so you couldn't really see nothing, just like up here. That got my live banned, so, you know, be very careful. These are kids. You want to treat them like kids. Treat them almost like it's preschool. They're not all kids, but, you know, just be careful. They're very, very strict about that. Also, when it comes to gifts in live, fans can send you gifts, of course, but you need to reach at least $50 in gifts. It's a threshold to cash it out to your PayPal. Besides that, you won't be able to, you know, take out any money. And you also have to, you can only take out in $50 increments. So if you have $70, you can take out $50 and you have $20 left in your wallet and you can't touch that. And unfortunately, TikTok takes half your gifts, which is really corny, but whatever.